If you are using Tough Tongue AI for sales coaching, here are 3 things that we recommend. The first one is very easy to get started. On the home page, just click sales call and get started here. Either you can pitch a product or and ask AI here to pitch you the product. Here is how it works.
Hi, I'm your sales coach. I'll help you practice handling sales calls.
You can also upload the product description on the sidebar or just chat with it. The second option is that we have created collection or content for you to get started. For example, if you search here sales, there are 2 collections here. The first one is the cold call, which is collection of different types of the clients. For example, some could be really rude, some could be nice, some could want to deep dive right in the first meeting. So these are the collection of scenarios that we have created for you to practice cold call. The second collection here is different stages of sales. So for example, you will start with the cold call, but you will have a deeper dive meeting, then follow up, and then final decision. So you can practice all these scenarios here. So that's the second, which is you practice with our first party content. The third thing that we recommend is that you create your own collection here, which is you bring your knowledge base. So just go here and create a collection, let's say for enterprise C, a collection of scenarios for our leadership to practice. Now, for this, you have to create different scenarios. And for example, let me give one here. So discovery call, Google Cloud, North America. So in this case, AI will help you write the prompt, but what you could do is bring how this should be ideally conducted. For example, if you have a transcript from the previous conversation where you closed the deal, you can upload that transcript and AI will try to replicate that. Or you could get the URL of that, or if there is a YouTube video, we can get the transcript. Now, once you create this, you might want to tweak it, like what role AI has to play, what sort of replies it should give. But this will create a really rich scenarios that is very focused or customized for your organization. So these are the 3 things that we want you to try. The first one is just on the home page, click the sales card, get started. The second one is the first party content that we have. And third is you bring your content and knowledge base, which is the best way to train and practice sales. Thank you so much.